I'm back. I'm back. Yeah. I'm back. Regardless of popular demand, I am back. Yes, in the words of the great philosopher Puff P. Daddy Diddler, Diddy, P. Papa, whatever his name is, in the words P. Diddy, can't stop, won't stop. I'm going to talk to you about the Makita Mak Trak box organizer. It's the thin organizer, the shallow organizer. I'm going to talk about it. Oh yeah, baby, yeah. Chicken. Oh yeah. Yeah. Look it. It's shallow. Pretty shallow. Pretty shallow. And look, as I said, a striking resemblance to Milwaukee's offering, or one of their 30,000 offerings, as they have every case known to man, known to girly man, I say. Get the knife just a second. I'm in the foreground. Is this the foreground? I think we've talked about that before. I'm in the foreground. Now I'm in the background. Now I'm in the foreground. Now I'm in the background. Now I'm in the foreground. Now I'm in the background. Now I'm in the foreground. Now I'm in the background. Well, you get it. Let's get a little up close and personal here. I don't have a problem. Let's look at this. Of course, I got my DeWalt with this got the 6-hour battery on it. That's quite a battery. I want to talk about this thing. I want to talk about it. I want to talk about this. Let's get it nice up close and personal. Look at this. Here's the deal. It's got, you can see it. You see that little blackness? See the blackness right there? Surrounded by that blackness? That's the seal for the water to keep it out, yeah? Keeps the water out. But look at this. This is something interesting, y'all. These little organizers have these cute little guys in there that are going to fall out or keep things from being separated. That's awesome. I've tried gluing these things in before. I don't know. What's your take on that? Maybe a glue if I want to keep them in for sure, if I'm married to this idea. I don't know. Maybe I'm down with a little separation. Little marriage jokes there, huh? It's got 1, 2, 3, 4. It's got 8 of these in there. 8 of these little guys. And 2 of these. These little guys here. 2 of these guys. Separated. I'm innovating words, yeah. Separated by this little guy right here. You take it all out, you can put some other stuff in it. So you've got to really, if you take it out, I don't know. I think you need to, you want this to separate little things, because when you take it out, you don't really gain much. There's not a lot of depth. Like I say, it's shallow. So keep it as you got it. Now, let's talk about the things you can do with this thing. Now, the thing is, it's got a it's got a honeycomb-like design in the plastic. Look at that. It says Makita on it. Now, what other manufacturer has a similar looking pattern, kind of? Yeah, Milwaukee has the same type of kind of honeycomb thing going on. Also, they have these type of latches on the corners on some of their stuff. This is the only one of the Makita Mak Trak cases that has these corners on it. The rest are the big black snap right here. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, maybe they started with this one, and then once they went black for the other one, they couldn't, you know what I mean? Anyway, Diddy would agree. I can't talk about Diddy. The way this snaps on to the railing on the other Mak Traks, very solid, and I'm going to demonstrate that right now because I think it's awesome. It's solid, so stay tuned for that. Oh yeah. Ooh, feel it. Ooh, feel it. Makita. This is perfect. Look at this. Stick it right here. Compared to the Tough System DeWalt, so much more solid, it doesn't wobble. There's no play. Ain't no shame in this game, right? Little rap term for you there, no rap term. Give a little pinchy poo, up it slides. I mean, freaking solid. Up it goes. Look at that, see? It's got this little thing. It's harsh. It's got harsh right angle to it. Makes the snap just right. I'm out here taking advantage of this beautiful weather. It's soggy out here. We are talking about this beautiful Makita Mak Trak case from it's made in America from Makita saying it's made in the USA with parts sourced from China. Oh, they're from China. Oh, they could be from China somewhere. You can do a lot of things with this. You can put your batteries in this. You can put little fasteners in this. You can put feminine products in. No, that's Milwaukee. You can. You hurt yourself with it? You can put screws in this. You could put anything in it that you want, really. Little tiny things in it. You could put your collectibles in it. You could put chicken nuggets in it, really, if you wanted to. Did you know that in between 1950 and 2017, 2.7 billion metric tons of plastic? Folks, let's face it, plastics are everywhere. You can no longer use lead to store your tools in, so no more lead. Can't use lead. Apparently metal is no longer cool. You can't use metal. You've got to use plastic. You got to, and we're going to talk real quickly before I have to go. Oh, fudge. Fudge. Everything is the enemy of the YouTuber. Let's cut the video short. So watch it or don't, like it or don't. I don't care. Bye.